Kia ora koutou, ngā tamariki mā o Mangere Bridge School. Ko Brooke toku ingoa.
Ko Stars toku ingoa. And we are the
Oniell Twinz. We hope you're having an amazing day. We're so sorry we couldn't be there with you all. Unfortunately, we're traveling the world. We're in Sydney at the moment doing what we love, he kanikani, and we're excited for you all. Make sure you keep speaking Te Reo as much as you can. We have a beautiful, beautiful language and a beautiful culture, so make sure you speak Te Reo as much as you can. Yeah. We love you all the way from Sydney. We say ka kite, mwah. Bye.
Kia ora koutou katoa, kia ora tamariki mā o Mangere Bridge, kura. Hey, I'm Kaylee, ko Kaylee ahau. Oh, ki roto e tō mahi o Irirangi o Mai FM. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah. Ko Kaylee ahau, ko Waikato me ngā kangungu o ki iwi. He Waikato te awa. He rongo mai papa me rongo mai wahine toku marae. I have been working here at Mai FM as a radio announcer for about 6 years now, and I love being a Māori speaking woman on radio. I think it's awesome. I actually have so much fun doing it. I get to use Māori every day. I think it's awesome to be able to speak Te Reo Māori and use it on air on a mainstream station for hip hop and R&B. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori Roto Te Kura at Mangere Bridge Kura. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Māori language week inside your school, and embrace it. Feel privileged, feel proud, because I know I am every day when I turn on that mic, alright? Speaking of that microphone, I've got to get back to work. So, ka kite anō Mangere Bridge kura, ka whai tō Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori.
Kia ora whānau, ko Stan toku ingoa. Ko matātua te waka, ko tūhoi me nai te rani aku iwi, ko maua o te mauna, ko taurana te moana, ko tamapaore te marae, me taku tūrana waiwai. Ka noho au ki ahitareiria me Aotearoa. I live between the both. And yeah, I just want to do a big mihi to you fellas. I love being Māori. I'm proud to be Māori. Things that I value about being Māori is whakapapa, is our kaumātua, is the knowledge, is a lot of things we can learn from being Māori, from knowing where we come from and who we come from. I've been doing a lot of whakapapa for the last 5 years, and it's been awesome. It's really helped me to become the man I am today and have the vision that I have today, because my tupuna paved the way for me to live my dreams and to be whoever I wanted to be and whoever I want to be. And everything that I'm doing is I'm living my dreams, so you fellas can do that too. Work hard, go hard, and don't hold back and don't be ashamed. Ka wea whakamā, and just go all out to live your dreams, because you are more than capable of doing anything you want to do. Don't let nobody say that you can't do it or you can't be nothing, because you can. Anyway, God bless you fellas. Kia ora, mauri ora.
Yo, what's up, Mangere School? How are you guys? I heard it's Māori Language Week this week, and pretty damn cool, eh? Pretty exciting stuff. Good luck, have fun, man, learn some words like wharepaku, and, you know, those ones, kia ora, you know. Much love, don't worry about it. From your boy KIngz. Peace.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ngā tamariki moko puna o te kura, te piriti o Mangere. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou, ko Maisey Rika ahau, kia kaha koutou, te ako, te kōrero, te waiata i roto i tō tātou reo rangatira, tō tātou reo Māori. Ngā mihi nui, ka kite,
koutou.
Ki ka, tāha ahau i tō matua.